Students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of general knowledge, and in today's video, I would like to start a new chapter. So students, in today's video, we are going to start a new chapter from your general knowledge book. So students, firstly take out your general knowledge book, which is look like this, and open chapter 2, the young ones. Okay, so open chapter 2. So students, open chapter 2 on the page number 7. Okay, open chapter 2, page number 7. So students, what's the name of chapter 2? Can you tell me the name of chapter 2? The name of this chapter is the young ones. Okay, the young ones. Okay, so what do you mean by the young ones, students? Do you know what is the meaning of the young ones? The meaning of the young ones is the babies. Okay, the young ones means the babies. Okay, so students, like the human beings, animal has also their young ones. Okay, they have also their babies. Okay, they have also their young ones. Okay, so students, in this chapter we will read about the animals babies. Okay, in this chapter we will read about the animals young ones. Okay, so students, let's start reading this interesting chapter, and in this chapter you will know about the name of the animals babies. Okay, so what we called the different animals babies. Okay, so in this chapter you will learn so many interesting things about the animals babies. So students, let's start reading this chapter, and you have to listen to me carefully, students, so that you can understand that how I am pronouncing every single word of this chapter. Okay, so let's start with the first line. So students, put finger on the first line of this chapter, and you all have pencils. Okay, so students, firstly pick a pencil and open your chapter 2, page number 7, and start reading with me. Okay, the mother animals take care of their babies animals. They keep them warm, feed them, and protect them from enemies. Okay, so students, do your mother feed you? Yes, all the mother feed their babies, and all their mothers protect their babies. Okay, so like the human beings, animals also feed their babies and keep them warm and protect them from their enemies. Okay, so as your mother protect you from your enemies and feed you time to time, and protect you and keep you warm and loves you so much, same as the animals also loves their babies. They warm their babies, they protect them. Okay, so mother means, what do you mean by mother, student? Mother means who gave you birth. Okay, and baby means the young ones. Okay, so students, let's start reading this chapter. So what do you learn? You learn that like the human beings, animals also have their babies, and they take care of their babies. Okay, and their babies have also names. Okay, so students, you all have names now. You all have any names. Okay, so same as you all have names, animals babies also have their names. Okay, we call different animals babies as the different names. Okay, with the different names, such as write the names of the young ones of the following animals. Take a help from the help kit. Okay, so students, look at these pictures in your book. Look at these pictures in your book, students. You can see the so many animals pictured in your book. Okay, such as cow, sheep, duck and dog, lion and horse. Okay, and they are with their babies. Okay, as you can see, cow is also with their baby, sheep are also with their baby, lions are also with their babies. So you can see the animals with their babies. Okay, so students, you have to write the name of these animals babies. Okay, in this given blank you have to write the names of these animals babies in this given blank. Okay, and you can take the help from this help kit. Okay, this is, can you see this box, students? Look at this box in your book. This is a help kit. Okay, and you can take help from this help kit. Is that clear? So now start with the first one. So first one is horse. Okay, first animal is horse. Have you seen ever horse? Definitely you have seen horse. So look at these pictures, students. This is horse. So what do we call horse? Horse baby. We called horse baby. Their young ones are called foal. Okay, their young ones are called foal. And what's the spelling of foal, students? What's the spelling of foal? You can take the help from the help kit. The spelling of foal is F-O-A-L. Okay, so you have to write the spelling of foal here. Okay, so students, now tell me, where do the horses lives? Where do the horse live, students? The horse lives in stables. Where do they live? They live in stables. Is that clear? So here you have to write their baby's name. Okay, it means foal. What is the spelling of foal? The spelling of foal is F-O-A-L, foal. Is that clear? Now next animal is lion. Okay, lion. Next one is lion. As you can see in this picture, this is lion. Okay, so what do we call the lion's baby? The lion's baby is cub. Okay, lion's baby is cub. Okay, she-u-b. Okay, and where do they live? They live in forest. Okay, because they are very dangerous animals. Okay, they live in forest. They are wild animals. Okay, and horse is the domestic animal. Is that clear? Now next one is dog. Okay, so what do we call the dog's baby? What is the name of dog's baby, students? The name of the dog's baby is puppy. Okay, what is the name of dog's baby? The name of the dog's baby is puppy. What is the spelling of puppy? The spelling of puppy is P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Okay, and where do they live, students? They have their houses. Okay, and how did they help us? They help us to protect our home. Okay, they protect our home from the thieves. Is that clear? Now next one is duck. Okay, next is duck. So what do we call the duck's baby? Friends, tell me, what's the name of duck's baby? The name of the duck's baby is duckling. Okay, the name of the duck's baby is duckling. So what is the spelling of duckling, students? Can you tell me? You can take the help from this box also. So the spelling of duckling is D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling. Is that clear? So you have to write it here, D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. Okay, duckling. Is that clear? You have to write in this given blank. Is that clear, students? Now move on to the next animal, and the next one is, and one thing, tell me, students, where do the duck lives? So duck live in the water. Okay, they live in water. As you can see in this picture, duck live in water. Now move on to the next animal, students. The next animal is sheep. Okay, the next animal is sheep. As you can see in this picture, what is this? Sheep. And what do we get from the sheep, students? We get wool from the sheep. Okay, so sheep is a very important animal for us. And what do we call the sheep's baby? What is the name of the sheep baby, students? The name of the sheep baby is lamb. Okay, what is the name of the sheep baby? The name of the sheep baby is lamb. And what is the spelling of lamb? Lamb. Okay, and you can also take the help from this box, students. You can also take the help from this help kit. Okay, but don't do any mistake. Okay, don't do any spelling mistake, students. You have to write exact spelling, you have to write the correct spelling. Okay, and you have to learn it. And the next animal is cow. So cow is also a very important animal for us because it gives us milk. Is it not? Is it or not? Yes. So what do we call the cow's baby? Okay, what is the name of the cow's baby, students? The name of the cow's baby is calf. Okay, the name of the cow's baby is calf. So what is the spelling of calf? The spelling of calf is CALF. Okay, CALF. So cow is a animal, domestic animal or wild animal, students? Tell me. So cow is a domestic animal. Cow is a domestic animal. Very good. So students, now here you can see a fact is given in your book. Okay, a fact is given in this chapter. So what is the fact? The fact is a baby kangaroo is called Joy. It stays safe and warm in its mother's pouch. Okay, so have you seen kangaroo ever, students? So the baby kangaroo, the kangaroo's young ones, and it means the baby kangaroo is the name of the baby kangaroo is Joy. Okay, and it feels safe and warm in mother's pouch. Okay, so the kangaroos have a pouch, it means a pocket in their stomach, and they keep their babies in it. Okay, so that their babies feel safe and warm. Okay, so this is a fact about the animals. So students, I hope you understand, and I hope you enjoyed this class. So you have to complete this chapter and learn it. Okay, so students, bye bye, take care of yourself, see you in the next video lesson.